Hello friends, I'm your new guide and my name is Ronak and I will take you to the world trip of the happiest country in the world, which is Finland. So let's continue. Geographical location of Finland. Finland located in northern Europe along the Baltic Sea, the Gulf of Bothnia and the Gulf of Finland. It shares border with Norway, Sweden and Russia and has a coastline of 776 miles and bracket over 1250 kilometers. The topography of Finland is relatively gentle with low flat or rolling plains and low hills. Map showing the location of Finland. As you can see, Finland is near Sweden, Norway and Denmark. Form of government in Finland. The politics of Finland take place with the framework of parliamentary representative democracy. Finland is a republic whose head of state is, let's underline this as it is important, President Sauli Niinisto. He is he heads the state who leads the nation's foreign policy and is the supreme commander of the Finnish defense forces. So let's go forward. This is a symbol of Finnish government. Economy in Finland. Main industries of Finland: metals and metal products, electronics, machinery and scientific instruments, shipbuilding, pulp and paper, foodstuffs, chemical, textile and clothing. Ace of doing business rank 20th, very easy 2020. External exports. And this is the amount which they get by selling these all things, as you can see here. So they get billions of money by this work. What is the economic what is the economy like in Finland? The economy of Finland is a highly industrialized mixed economy with a per capita output similar to the other Western European economies such as France, Germany, and the United Kingdom. The largest sector of Finland's economy is services at 72.7%, followed by manufacturing and refining at 31.4%. This is the Finnish flag. Social life in Finland. Social life in Finland. Finns are generally relaxed about dress and manners, but they do not appreciate, unfortunately. Many Finns are highly competitive and excel at sports. With so much water sports have been popular and many Finns know their own boats. This is some pictures of the people of Finland and their town. Finland retains a crown of world happiest country. Finland has once again been crowned as the world happiest country, extending it over Denmark and Switzerland, according to the United Nations affiliated research network. Finnish commitment stems from high levels of trust, which also underpins solid ranking across the rest of Nordic region. The Sustainable Development Solution Network said in the World Happiest Report on Friday. So now it's end with our Finland presentation, and now it's time to go home. So at last I will ask a question from you and I will give my own view on that question. Is a country rich and then only happy? No, it's not true. A country has not to be rich to become happy. Happy like Finland. Finland is not having so